Here's some different door closers, guys. Cheap and cheerful. Britain. Fuck me, they've got cameras everywhere in here. God knows why. What the garden handles. Oh, it's a nice one. That one is that's a dorma. Very nice dorma. What have got on the outside of this one? Oh, nothing. Car park. Way out. Very nice. Me, I've got cameras everywhere now. Need to sort that leak out on the roof. Very nice. Nice closing. Give me a second and I'll show you the rest of the door closes. What's that one? Have you done that one? That's a rusty door. Oh shit, that's a rusty dormer. Oh no. That's a, it's not a dormer, sorry. That's a very nice one. I think that's what it is. I've got so many myself. What one is that? Oh, I've got one of those. Should we see it again? Beautiful. Lovely clothes. Need to alter mine to the clothes of that. Very nice indeed. We're nearly out. Ooh. Nearly there. I'll go out. Squeaky. Lovely clothes. Very nice. Sounds a bit like a fucking prison door. I do like those particular door closers. I think I have to invest in some more of those ones. I am. Noisy pub next door. What can I? Oh, there we are. Look at that lovely one right there. Oh, what one is that? It's lovely, that is. Beautiful one. Oh, what a lovely close.